This is an experiment. I'm very curious to see what will happen if I create videos with the same title as popular videos. In fact, I didn't interview animals with a tiny mic. That was someone else. I put its link in the description. But I don't mind posing some questions. That is the real purpose of this channel, anyway. Are animals for our amusement? Are they fine with being kept in prison? To me, a man's willingness or unwillingness to kill animals for the satisfaction of his appetite indicates his attitude towards the larger issues of life. There are many forms of killing, are there not? There is killing by a word or a gesture, killing in fear or in anger, killing for a country or an ideology, killing for a set of economic dogmas or religious beliefs. With a word or a gesture, you may kill a man's reputation through gossip, defamation, contempt. You may wipe him out. And does not comparison kill? Don't you kill a boy by comparing him with another who is cleverer or more skillful? A man who kills out of hate or anger is regarded as a criminal and put to death, yet the man who deliberately bombs thousands of people off the face of the earth in the name of his country is honored, decorated. He is looked upon as a hero. Killing is spreading throughout the world. For the safety or expansion of one nation, another one is destroyed. Animals are killed for food, for profit, or for so-called sport. They are vivisected for the well-being of man. The soldier exists to kill. Extraordinary progress is being made in the technology of murdering vast numbers of people in a few seconds and at great distances. Many scientists are wholly occupied with it, and priests bless the bomber and the warship. Also, we kill a cabbage or a carrot in order to eat. We destroy a pest. Where are we to draw the line beyond which we will not kill? One may say it is up to each individual, but is it as simple as that? If you refuse to go to war, you are either shot or sent to prison, or if you refuse to go to the soldier to be a soldier in some countries, you're sent to prison, or perhaps to a psychiatric hospital. If you refuse to take part in the nationalistic game of hate, you are despised and you may lose your job. Pressure is brought to bear in various ways to force you to conform. In the paying of taxes, even in the buying of a postage stamp, or you are supporting war, indirectly, the killing of ever-changing enemies. Someone may ask, then what is one to do? Are you suggesting that we should not pay taxes or write letters? You see, in being concerned with the details of action, in speculating about whether we should do this or that, we get lost in the particular without comprehending the totality of the problem. The problem needs to be considered as a whole. When you don't pay much attention to the wider implications of the problem, when you're only concerned with one particular aspect of a problem, it's just like not throwing the window wide open and looking at the sky, the trees, the people, the whole movement of life, but peering instead through a narrow crack in the casement. And the mind is like that. A small, unimportant part of mind is very active, while the rest is dormant. This petty activity of the mind creates its own petty problems of good and bad, its political and moral values. If we could really see the absurdity of this process, we would naturally, without any compulsion, explore the wider fields of the mind. So, the issue we are discussing is not merely the killing or the non-killing of animals, but the cruelty and hate that are ever increasing in the world and in each one of us. That is our real problem, isn't it? Brutality is spreading in the world like a plague. A whole nation is destroyed by its bigger and more powerful neighbor. Cruelty, hate is the issue, not whether or not one happens to like the taste of meat, or whether or not an animal should be kept in cage. If this issue has any significance to you, please share this video with your friends.